Hey guys, welcome back to DW's Chop Shop. Today what I want to do is get our brakes figured out. So we're going to run a rear brake and we're going to run a front brake. Front brake's pretty easy. I'm using the stock lower portion of the shocks, so that's going to hook up stock. But the rear brake we got to do some modifications to. But you know, using some high quality stuff like TC Brothers, they thought about us and they gave us instructions and templates and everything that we need to make this job happen. So we're using the stock series wheel, right? So I gotta jump back a page. Here we go. So this hardtail is designed to use your stock axle, wheel, spacers, brake components. 86 to 99 are the easiest to use. See the supplied parts diagram? Yeah. The stock belt or chain is too short, obviously, so you need in this we need a chain conversion with the way we're running stuff. And then we need a longer chain, no big deal. See, this hardtail is most commonly used in conjunction with the 86 to 99 style brake caliper. There's a brake anchor hardware components included in the kit. Here. Where was I at? To allow easy installation of the model year calipers, there's also a full-size template included to assist with the installation of the caliper. Most common method to install this caliper is to drill and tap a 3/8 by 16 hole in the stock caliper bracket to attach the supplied brake anchor hardware. This requires a 5/16 drill bit and a 3/8 tap. No biggie. Refer to the supplied full-size diagram to determine the location. All right. 86 to 99 style calipers have large cast iron portions wrapped around the stock swing arm. Most customers remove this for the cleanest look. And that is, so this is your brake caliper setup, right? I don't know the last time that you changed your bolts, but I stripped both of mine. I had to do a little welding job to get this last bolt out, but it's out. Caliper, you pull your pin, caliper pops off. These brake pads were shot. They went right in the trash. Other than that, this is the portion of your swing arm that wraps around your axle. So we're going to grind this down and just make it gone. Okay. 82 to 85 style calipers can also be used installing an anchor rod kit. Okay, we're not doing an iron head. And 2000 to 03 style calipers can also be installed, but TC Brothers doesn't offer the anchor kit, so you'd have to mod something up. Easiest way to do it would be to get an 86 to 99, just like this. They sell them on eBay. They're not expensive. They're everywhere. There's millions of these bikes laying around. And then this section says how to fit this up to the wide tire, which we don't need to worry about. If you're doing a wide tire, read this section. So I know it's black and white. It's kind of hard for you guys to see, but all we're going to do is I'm going to grind all this crap off right here. And then after that, we'll drill and tap a hole over here someplace.
A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh
Okay, there we go. Looks better. A little hot. A little bit of grinding dust laying around here. All right. Where are we drilling? So I said there's templates in here. Here we go. Center punch, drill and tap. Okay, so we cut everything out. We got a center punch, we got a 5/16 drill bit, I got a tap. Let's get this thing drilled out. So now we are drilled and tapped. So this should fit pretty easy on here. All right, so we're over here with the brake and our hardware kit, and this thing's gonna go on and sit kind of this way, right? So you slide your rear axle through, and you're gonna kind of hang upside down like this. And we take some of the crap in this kit. All right. Got this little turnbuckle looking thing. All right, so that's gonna go in here. I do believe this goes on there. And you can adjust this to sit wherever you want it to. Okay, but that's how our brake's gonna sit. A little different than stock, but not bad. There we go. So that's a nice, quick, easy modification. It's gonna look real nice. I might dig some more of this off. That's a whole big chunk of metal. I don't know if we're gonna really need all that. I might be able to bring that, oh man, a whole bunch more off of that, round it off. I don't know. we'll get into it. But if you're trying to set this up, here's how to set it up. There wasn't a lot of information out on it. Now there is. Hope this helps somebody.